Hello everyone, welcome to this week's devlog for Clustercraft, Strong Compute's 3D Compute Manager. We've got a couple of things to share today, mainly globes and maps, and a bit more accurate detailings on where your infrastructure is located in the real world. So if you remember from last week or previous weeks, the globe would simply just show your region or silos down to the country, which is pretty okay for smaller countries because it's pretty small and easily viewable, but on larger countries such as the US or maybe Australia, generalizing it down to a country was a bit awkward. So what we've done is, if I go over to the globe here, I can go over probably to about here, we have consolidated all the data down to even finer points of geolocation. So every single region that all of our clouds provide and our neo clouds provide, they're all listed in rough geolocation data. So you can see, like in this one here, it's the Ashburn region. It's far closer to where Ashburn is located in real life. And then I can click that and go back to it as normal. I might just demonstrate what that might look like if we make some new ones. So if I go to infrastructure, create a new region, this has been updated. So now you have to pick your provider. I might pick probably Azure, and then let's pick somewhere a bit out there. Let's go South India. Why not? And I can hit create region. We can see that it now pops up with the region name and where that's roughly located. And if I go to the globe, go to India, we can see there's our little region that we just created there. And then it also updates on the map as well, so we can see that there. And that also means that if we create a region on this map here, let's go for GCP this time, and we'll pick Europe West. As we do that, that'll update in real time as well, and that works on the globe as well. So this will be able to show a little bit more context as to where your data and your hardware is located in the real world.
In addition to the updates to the globe and the map, we have some updates to the save data system. Specifically, you can now compare the statistics in two different save files so that you can compare the diffs and see how they stack up. For an example, I've got this setup, which is the demo assets plus some extra stuff. And I've got some other saves over here. We've got new save, which is just the demo assets. And we have my save, which has like 7 regions, is also the demo assets. So if we have a file open, let's just have the 128 node cluster open, and we go to view file stats, we can see, okay, this file has 5 regions, 164 nodes, 1300 GPUs. That's all well and good. The stuff that probably matters most to you is the cost. So you can see how much the entire scene would cost per hour based on the numbers in our database in the back, which we will be trying to keep as accurate to real life as possible. Then you can pick another save. So we've got my save or new save, and it will show that save's same data and how it stacks up. So my save has 7 regions, and that's 2 more than the other one. And it's a 40% increase. Again, it's going to matter most for the cost. We can see that the second save file costs 1,500 per hour, and that's like minus 50%. It's like 50% cheaper than the current save file. So this is going to be super helpful for when you're modeling what you want your infrastructure to eventually look like, and you want to compare 2 different options like an A and a B and see, okay, these are the advantages and the disadvantages. This is how much power it's going to use, how much it's going to cost me. The cost is obviously going to be the most important aspect. We're going to work on making this look a lot nicer in the future, but the functionality is all there for you. I think that's all we have for this week. So thank you very much, and we'll see you later.
See you then.